logical or on a subset of columns in a data frame. I want to get all rows where, at least, one of the columns in df, mylist, contains true. I'm currently doing where mylist is a list of strings relating to columns of df. But I would like to do this for any length of mylist. The only way I can think of to do this is to loop over mylist and create a new data frame for each element of it and merge/concat or whatever them afterwards. But that doesn't look very smart for me. Is there a better way?
Building on Londonob's answer, you could use calling the data frames any method will perform better than using apply to call Python's built-in any function once per row. Or you could use np.logical_or.reduce. For large data frames, using np.logical_or may be quicker. Note that df.any has extra features, such as the ability to skip nans. In this case, if the columns are Boolean valued, then there cannot be any nans, since nans are float values. So np.logical_or.reduce is quicker. Yields the rows where at least one of the columns is true.
There's a much simpler way to do this using Python's built-in any function. You can apply the function any along the rows of df by using axis equals 1. In this case, I'll only apply any to a subset of the columns. This gives us the perfect way to select our rows.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.